Lesson 3, Chapter Biotechnology Principles and Processes. So students, in today's video, I will discuss about some techniques that are used in the process of genetic engineering. So as you know, in the last class, I discussed about the tools, the two important tools that is the use of enzymes, including the restriction enzyme, which is a very important part of genetic engineering, and about the cloning vectors that are used. So apart from these two, so there are some other techniques that are required to be used during the genetic engineering process. So in that, I discussed about the two important techniques that are used in genetic engineering, and those are the gel electrophoresis technique and the PCR technique, that is the polymerase chain reaction technique. Gel electrophoresis. It is the technique of separation of DNA fragments using agarose gel and electric field. So in this method, this is the method where the DNA fragments using restriction enzyme that were obtained from the desired DNA. So through this technique, they are used to separate the DNA. And because of that purpose, gel electrophoresis, it is used during genetic engineering process. Genetic engineering korute that restriction enzyme use kora hoy as a tool. He kothatu moi last video koisilu. Etia he genetic engineering korute that ki kora hoy restriction enzymes bilakor horu horu tukura pura jay. যিবিলাক হৈছে আমাৰ ডিজায়াৰ্ড, যিবিলাকৰ ভিতৰত আমাৰ ডিজায়াৰ্ড ডিএনএ বিলাক নহয় থাকে। সো এতিয়া সেই ডিজায়াৰ্ড ডিএনএ বিলাক আমি তাৰ পৰা সেপাৰেট কেনেকৈ কৰিম? তো সেপাৰেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ টেকনিকটো ইউজ কৰা হয়। তো এইটো কেনেকৈ ইউজ কৰা হয় মই দেখাই দিছোঁ। সো এইকেইটা হৈছে ভেল। ইয়াত এতিয়া 4টা ভেল আছে। এই ভেলকেইটাত যিকেইটা DNA আছে, সেই DNA খিনি ইয়াত দি দিব from the test tubes, যিটোত DNA fragments বিলাক দিয়া হৈছিলে after cutting the DNA. এতিয়া ইয়াত কি থাকিব? এটা পজিটিভ সাইড থাকিব আৰু এটা নেগেটিভ সাইড থাকিব। এটা পজিটিভ ইলেক্ট্ৰোড থাকিব আৰু এটা নেগেটিভ ইলেক্ট্ৰোড থাকিব। and as we know that DNA are negatively charged. So যেতিয়া ইয়াত ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফিল্ড যেতিয়া এমপ্লয় কৰা হ'ব, তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? এই ডিএনএ বিলাকে সদায় পজিটিভ চাৰ্জ থকা সাইডটোলে তাহাঁতি যাব, মানে এনডটো ফালে তাহাঁতি নহয় মুভ কৰিব। ঠিক আছে নে? আৰু তাতে যিবিলাক লাইট হয়, মানে যিবিলাক শৰ্ট বেঞ্চ হয়, তো তাহাঁতে কি হ'ব? বেছি ফাষ্ট মুভ কৰিব। আৰু যিবিলাক দীঘল হয় বা ডাঙৰ মলিকিউলছ হয় ডিএনএ বিলাকত, সো এইখিনি এতিয়া মই ইয়াত ডাৰ্ক কৰি দিছোঁ, they cannot move faster. সো তাহাঁতি পিছতে তাহাঁতি থাকি যাব। আৰু যিবিলাক লাইটাৰ যিবিলাক ফ্ৰেগমেণ্টছ যিবিলাক হয়, যিবিলাক লাইটাৰ ফ্ৰেগমেণ্টছ হয়, সেইবিলাকে ফাষ্ট মুভ কৰিব টুৱাৰ্ডছ দ্য পজিটিভ সাইড অফ দি প্লেট, যিফালে পজিটিভলি কানেক্টেড হৈ আছে। সেইটো কিয় হৈছে? ডেট ইজ বিকজ দ্যাট আ DNA molecule that is negatively charged. তো নেগেটিভলি চাৰ্জ হ'লে ডেফিনেটলি তাহাঁতি পজিটিভ সাইডটো ফালে এট্ৰেক্ট কৰিব। আৰু যিবিলাক শৰ্টাৰ বেঞ্চ হয়, সেই শৰ্টাৰ বেঞ্চবিলাক বা শৰ্টাৰ ফ্ৰেগমেণ্টছবিলাক তাহাঁতি ফাষ্ট মুভ কৰিব। ইয়াত জেল থাকে, এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পৰ্চনটোত গোটেইটোতে জেল থাকে। আৰু এই জেলবিলাক যাক আমি কওঁ agarose gel, this agarose gel it is obtained from red algae. সেইবিলাক হয় porous হয়, porous gel হয়। আৰু সেইটো কাৰণে কি হয়? DNA fragments বিলাকে মুভ কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে তাহাঁতি স্পেচ পায়। and because of that the short fragments they can travel faster and they can come towards the anode of the plate. So এইটো কাৰণে এই particular technique to use করা হয় for the separation of DNA fragments during the genetic engineering process. So this is the next technique, which is called as polymerase chain reaction, or in short it is also called as PCR. So this particular technique, it was invented by Carey Mullis in the year 1933. And what is this method now? So it is the method of amplification of the desired DNA using high temperature. So here it very simply means that the DNA fragments which are obtained, so those DNA fragments, they are amplified or multiplied by using this particular technique. Now what are the requirements for this technique? So there are only a very few requirements, and this is mainly done in vitro, that is inside a machine. So therefore there are very less requirement. So that is the DNA fragment or the desired DNA fragment, then comes RNA primer, and the next important, that is the Taq polymerase enzyme, or which we can call it to be DNA polymerase. So let's start with the mechanism of PCR. So generally, during the mechanism of PCR, the principle that is adopted is that high temperature is applied to the DNA strand, and because of applying high temperature, as you know that the biomolecules under high temperature, they generally gets denatured. So here the DNA, that will get denatured. So that is why the first step, it is denaturation of DNA. So this is the DNA molecule, and let's suppose that the DNA molecule, it is with bases ATGC, ATGC, and its complementary nucleotides, it will be TACG, TACG. So this is the DNA molecule here, and now this DNA molecule, it will be denatured by applying a temperature of 94 to 96 degree centigrade for near about 1 to 2 minutes. So as the DNA molecule, it is under high temperature, so here the hydrogen bond in between the DNA molecule, so that will start breaking, and here the the DNA or the desired DNA fragments, so that becomes single stranded. So these are the two single stranded DNA having the bases ATGC, ATGC, and here it will be TACG, TACG. Now with this two single stranded DNA, the next step will be done, that is annealing of primer. So annealing of primer, it is nothing, it is the addition of the primer from the 3' site. So as you know that during the replication process of DNA, there requires primers. So here also primers will be required. So these are the primers that were added in the 3' side of the DNA. So that is the annealing of primers, and here the primers, these are the RNA primers. As you know that RNA primers, that those are also already employed in or during the process of DNA replication. And here then the ATP, these are the deoxyribonucleotides that is used here, GTP, DCTP, and DTTP. So these are the nucleotides that is present, and the third process will begin with the application of Taq polymerase enzyme. So the Taq polymerase enzyme, it will come and it will start polymerizing the DNA fragment from the 3' side of both the DNA strands. Now this is a special DNA polymerase enzyme. It was a DNA polymerase enzyme hoy, but as this is obtained from a thermostable bacteria whose name is Thermus aquaticus. At the Thermus aquaticus namor at the thermostable bacteria pura a enzyme to ana hoy. তো সেইটো কাৰণে তাৰ আমি DNA polymerase-টোৰে নাম আমি ইয়াত লিখিছোঁ tag polymerase. T that has come from the word thermus and aqu it has come from the word aquaticus. So here this technique, at first the temperature it was raised to 94 to 96 degrees centigrade. During annealing, the temperature it was kept in between 40 to 60 degrees centigrade. And now again during polymerization, the temperature it will be raised to 72 degree centigrade. And as it will be raised to 72 degrees centigrade, this polymerase enzyme, which is known as tag polymerase in case of this PCR technique now. So this tag polymerase, it will start polymerizing the DNA strand. So let me write the nucleotides from this parent molecule ACG, TACG. So here, so it will start making the DNA strand from this 3' side, and here the C, here the deoxyribonucleotide G, it will be added with G, here C will be added with T, here the polymerase it will add A. So in that way, extension of this two single-stranded DNA will take place from the 3' side, and at last after polymerization by the tag polymerase enzyme, we will get TACG, TACG, and here it was TACGC. Here also we will find TACG, TSCG. So these two were the parental strand from this molecule. So these two were the parental strand. Now with these two parental strand, by applying primer and the tag polymerase enzyme, so here this is the new strand that was formed. So in that way, from this parent DNA molecule, we get two copies of DNA molecule which is same as that of the parent DNA molecule. So in this way, multiple copies of DNA can be obtained just by using high temperature, then the primers, which will be comprised of the RNA polymerase and the deoxyribonucleotides, and the application of the enzyme which is called as tag polymerase, which is obtained from the bacterium Thermus aquaticus. So this is the whole process of the mechanism of PCR. So PCR, that is generally employed for various applications in biotechnology.